Hey gang! Welcome to another episode of Tomboy Beauty. My name's Amy Harber. You can find me on Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube. This is the March Birchbox. The theme is Budding Beauty. We got a big old message there. Invent the reality you want to live. That's right, the future starts now. Flip to learn more. So in March, they were celebrating International Women's Day, and they gave away $5,000 for people to pursue their dreams. I applied. I did not win. So there's that. I wanted to put it back into my community in New Carlisle, Ohio. However, like I said, didn't win, but did win these fun products. So let's get into it. So hey, March Birchbox. Budding Beauty. Invent the reality you want to live. So, first product we got here is Modelco Metallic Eyeshadow Trio. It's very similar to this one from Smashbox that I almost got called It's Fire. It had like all these fiery. This is called Positano. There we go. Got a little brown, little like golden, like corally, peachy, and brown. Let's see what we got here. Or you know what? There's also a brush in here. It's a bonus. It's a bonus product. It's the Luxie Rose Gold eye shading brush. Let's just do this. Put that in the in the crease there. And then we'll take, Luxie has amazing brushes. I have this one too. I really like it. It's one of my favorites. But it's not from the rose gold. I have like the whole entire rose gold collection because I want it. Or no, I got it in my swag bag at BeautyCon. Okay. There we go. It's fire. Only this isn't fire. Yes, this is like super similar to a Smashbox trio that I almost got once. So we got that, we got the brush. This brush was mine already. Then, oh look, we're gonna complete the look because we have one of my favorite mascaras. I love Benefit mascaras so much. However, Roller Lash is great. It's Real is great. However, Bad Girl Bang is the best. That's right. It's so great. Look at that. This brush is so incredible. I love it. I love that small on the end so you can get in there. Whoop. Do not pump your mascara because you will put air in there. That one puts bacteria in your mascara, and it'll also dry it out. You don't want that. Look at that. Looking good. Then we have Oribe Grandiose Hair Plumping Mousse. Oh, it's a mousse. Ooh, what is is this, the 80s? We back on the 80s or something? Okay, I'm not kidding. I used to get the White Rain mousse, and you put like a whole thing of freaking mousse in my hair, and then blow it dry, and then it'd be crunchy. I shit you not. Anyway, this is, oh, it says it right here. Crunch-free bouncy body. Oh, and you're only supposed to use a golf ball size. Okay, me, back in the 80s. I'm aging myself, it's okay. I'm not kidding, man. It would be like, let me see how big. I'd go through like a can a week or something. Us children of the 80s are the reason there is no ozone. Please blame us, because I know it's true. Then we have Kiehl's Midnight Recovery Botanical Cleansing Oil. It's a botanical oil to milk cleanser that will remove stubborn makeout without over drying. If it doesn't have one of these crazy seals, we'll smell it. It does have a seal. Not happening. Oops, and I dropped the lid. And then finally, my Clairins Recharge Relaxing Sleep Mask. So, oh, it's a rebalancing mask. It detoxifies with flower waters. And so you put it on your skin at night, and then in the morning, wash it off. Oh, fun times. So anyway, those are all the products in that March Birchbox Budding Beauty to freshen up your routine. This is where you can find me. Until next time, stay beautiful.